In. Horses out of Scout Ranger as the begin. Super Win is already outside. Easy Laber. Then comes Si Senor Defiant. Security Force comes next. Win Beneath My Wings. Money Queen on a Rose. And Len is the early trailer. And going along for the first turn, we have Scout Ranger and Super Win fighting out for the lead. Alain can have in third. Easy Laber moving up by the Security Force. Si Senor is down in fifth, and in sixth, Defiant. Then followed by Honor Rose, Money Queen, and Win Beneath My Wings. Second last, and Len is the early trailer. We have Super Win now takes the lead. Scout Ranger drives back in second. Security Force in third. Moving up in fourth, Si Senor. Then comes Easy Lover. Defiant remains in sixth. Then comes Money Queen, Honor Rose, Win Beneath My Wings, and Len. And it's still Super Win. Security Force is by Drell. In between horses, Scout Ranger, Si Senor in fourth. Then here comes Money Queen, Easy Lover. We have Super Win, Security Force is down on the inside, takes the lead. Si Senor is already outside, Money Queen joining them. Security Force, Money Queen is already outside, Si Senor. We have Money Queen, Security Force. And finally, it's going to be Money Queen. Second, close, Si Senor. Number 3, Security Force.